For my test 3 review problem, I chose to do one that says sketch the graph with the different steps with this problem. So the problem is y equals 2 minus 2x minus x cubed. I put that in a more suitable function, y equals negative x cubed minus 2x plus 2. So the first step in the guidelines of this section is to A, find the domain. And obviously, because it's a polynomial, the domain is going to be all reals, or negative infinity to positive infinity. B, the next step is the intercepts. And obviously there is one intercept that you can find later when you graph it. That's going to be the y-intercept at positive 2. The next step is to find any symmetry, and there is no symmetry with this one, so none. The next step is going to be finding the asymptotes, also none here. The next step is going to be finding the intervals of which the function is decreasing and increasing, and this will make more sense when we graph it, obviously, but it's decreasing everywhere there is a point on this function, because it is a negative cubic function, so it is decreasing from negative infinity to positive infinity. Find the local min and max. There are none, because it's just one minimum and one maximum, and it's just infinity. And find the concavity and points of inflection. So it's concave both ways, as it will make sense in the graph when we graph it. It's concave up from negative infinity to 0, which means that the face of the graph is concaved facing upward, and it is concave down from 0 to positive infinity, which means it is concave downward. The point of inflection, there's only one, is 0, 2. And those are all the steps, except for the final one, which is the graph. So I wrote it all out on here. This is the graph, and I will show you exactly what I mean. So it just says sketch, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So a cubic function, as we know, goes from this quadrant up through this quadrant. Draw a parent function, something like that, but with the function being y equals 2 minus 2x minus x cubed, or y equals negative x cubed minus 2x plus 2. We know that it's going to be facing downward because of the negative in front of the x cubed, and it's going to go up 2 spaces on the x or on the y-axis. So that's going to be the point right there, and it's going to be as simple as that. So notice the dashed line is the parent function, y equals x cubed, and this is the alteration to the function. Thank you.